અમારે ગુજરાતીમાં એક કહેવત છે કે થઈ જશે. ઇટ મીન્સ આગે if you decides up 99% your work is done. Today we have installation more than 1500 in all over India.
1500 furnaces.
Yeah, so they always ask us one questions: why we purchase your furnace? Why we don't purchase the big manufacturer Inductotherm in Electrotherm? Then I always says that if we install the furnace in Germany, then all over the world we can install our furnaces and our product.
It's like the software. You have equipment, vacuum furnaces, scooters. Have I missed anyone?
Yeah, no.
That's a lot of companies. A few weeks ago, we made a post, a very controversial post, where we had 3 certain induction furnace manufacturers in a frame, right, as portrayed as boxers, and one of them happened to be Plasma Induction. So a lot of communication happened, and finally Plasma is on the show, Mr. Ketan Vavaiya. So we're going to cover his journey here. Very, very impressive journey, right? For if anybody doesn't know what the story is for Plasma, listen up, because it's a very, very tough journey that Mr. Ketan has been through. And correct, there was lot of trials.
Yes.
बहुत सारा कोशिश के बाद आप आज आके इधर पहुंच गए. Correct. So it's a very good story. And Mr. Ketan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Ian.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, actually, we are some storytelling or maybe the social media marketing. This is the first time I am in some interviews and in front of all the guys. So little bit nervousness is there, and we have the first time we are arranging this setup. So it's okay, but nice with Ian. He have good experience and he has an expert to doing that. So he learned.
No expert, not as much as expert. Ketan ji is a master in sales and marketing, by the way. I mean, as most people in the industry will know. So he's already a natural at speaking. It is only going to be.
Thank you, Mr. Ian, to cover our story and to come here from Mumbai and make our guests.
So shall we begin?
Yeah.
Great. So the first thing I want to ask you is, Plasma को actually बहुत लोग अभी जानते हैं, correct? You are already one of the key people in the industry, induction melting. So लेकिन बहुत लोग एक्चुअली जानते नहीं रहेंगे कि हाउ यू गॉट योर स्टार्ट, हाउ डिड यू गेट इन द इंडस्ट्री, हाउ यू गॉट द टेक्निकल एक्सपीरियंस. सो आपका बैकग्राउंड के बारे में थोड़ा हमें बता दीजिए एक बार.
माय नेटिव प्लेस इज फ्रॉम गुजरात, नियर टू सोमनाथ एंड जूनागढ़. We are me and my partner Mr. Harshad Chaudhari, we are both are technicals. We completed our BTech in power electronics field in 2005, and then I started my journey from as a service engineer from another companies in Amtech Electronics, Gandhinagar, and then Indian Rayon, Aditya Birla Nuvo Group, and then one of the induction furnace manufacturer, Electrotherm. And then I started the learning about the technology and product and everything. And then we started thinking about our own business. So
this was जब आप Electrotherm के साथ काम कर रहे थे, you got your foundation and everything from there, correct? So you felt कि you can make the induction technology better.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. That is the primary reason कि आप चालू क्यों किए थे?
Actually, in Electrotherm, I am looking for the research and development.
Okay.
So my job role is making a product to more innovative and more efficient. So they help to our foundry industries to grow more and get more benefits for this product.
Correct.
And then I learned what is the lacking in the earlier technology and earlier product, whichever is available in market. And then we started to thinking about what we do and how we make it more efficient and more reliable. And we grow up and improve our machinery's quality and improve the technology. That much better help to grow our foundry industries ultimately.
Correct. So let me go back to your start, correct? Yeah. You work for 4.5 years at Electrotherm.
Yeah.
उसके बाद में आप सोचे कि मैं इससे अच्छा कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
For the induction melting.
Yes.
Correct. तो वो आपने वो जंप कैसे लिया है? How did you arrange the resources? आपका mentality क्या था उस टाइम पे? Because already you were in research and development.
Yes.
तो आपको technical तो already वो sound था.
Yeah.
Correct. What were the other steps?
Actually, we are the only technical guys. We have no any idea about any commercial, any business management or anything else. So we just decides, let's do. हमारे गुजराती में एक कहावत है कि થઈ જશે. It means आगे if you decides up 99% your work is done.
Okay.
Only 1% is behind.
So it's mental.
So it's the thought process. If you decide something do, then it's automatically done, and all help you need automatically on time being you get it from God.
So your entire business has been built on this one principle.
Yeah. So then I read one book in Gujarati language when I job, and this is the mindset, how to start, when to start. So it is a period is very crucial because you have a very good, very much lots of thoughts you're coming in mind. What about your survivals? What about your family? What your relatives talking about you? What in professional field, your colleagues and everyone's looking about you. If you fail, then what to do? If
Correct.
you success, then what to do? So अपने आप से साथ एक अपना ये हर रोज रात को जब सोते हैं आप, तो आपको ये दिमाग में आता रहता है कि भाई करूँ या ना करूँ, करूँ तो कब करूँ, कहाँ से करूँ, कैसे करूँ. तो ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस था वहाँ पे मुझे हेल्प किया एक बुक ने. वो बुक में था कि इफ़ यू विजुअलाइज समथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो दुनिया में अगर कोई भी घटना घटती है तो उसके पीछे एक थॉट्स होता है. विदाउट थॉट्स नो वन इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. सो फिर वहाँ से एक स्टार्ट मिला कि नहीं, अगर आप तय कर लेते हो तो वो होना ही तय है.
और ये आपने
तो
तभी किया था 2011 2012.
या 2000
जब आप जॉब पे थे.
2010 11 and 12. This is the 2 to 3 years. At that times I thanks to all my family members, parents, my wife and friends who are supporting me morally. Okay, you can do it. We are with you. Okay, please go ahead. We are behind you.
Initial years कैसे था चालू करने के बाद?
Initial level में I am the only one. There are no is my staff. No, I have any background. So we are started from small space, and we take it into rented. And then we started the manufacturing of the induction furnaces. I have a very good friends in Foundry market, so very good friends in there. So they are helping us and give us a chance to prove ourselves, and they are
trial के हिसाब से.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before that we are started the servicing and some parts and some technical awareness, some consulting, and then we make a relation with customers, and then they give us a chance for okay, आप बनाइए induction furnace. We are taking a risk and install our furnaces. So one of the customer from Rajkot, they are giving a chance for first furnace to install, and we taking a chance.
वो आपका पहला इंस्टॉलेशन है? वो
हमारा पहला इंस्टॉलेशन. ये हमारा पहला ऑर्डर था, लेकिन लकीली जब हमने पहला ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट किया उसी टाइम पे हमको एट अ टाइम सिंगल डे के अंदर 3 ऑर्डर मिले, जो हमारे लिए एक वेरी बूस्टिंग पॉइंट था. अगर बीच में ब्रेक आता तो हम लोगों को और चैलेंज बढ़ती. तो वो जो 3 ऑर्डर एक साथ मिलना था, हु इज द कस्टमर, हिज नेम इज गैलेक्सी टेक्नोफोर्ज, मिस्टर Kishore Bhai Tilala. This is the brother of Ramesh Bhai Tilala. Now he is the MLA of Rajkot. So he is a very good person, and they believe us and our capability. Correct. And they give us a chance.
Correct.
So then after we are never looking back.
Initial support के साथ अब basically आपको थोड़ा बहुत boost मिला.
Yes.
Right. It's been almost 10 years.
Yeah,
correct. Since you moved into this very place.
Yeah,
today is the 10th anniversary this year.
Yeah, is.
Right. Since it's been 10 years, correct. How has that journey been after the initial years? How did you put the R&D in? Where did you get the feedback? आपको कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्या changes करना है? आपको research किधर से मिला?
Actually, we are continuously touch with customers like forging or foundries, and we are discussing as a friend, not as a supplier or not as a customers, but we are just discussing with him what you challenge. You have a challenge in run your business, and what you want as a supplier or as a manufacturing of capital machineries, and they telling us this is the challenge. If we get this type of solutions, it is much better for us. And then we realize, okay, this is a really important need of any of the forging or foundry industries. So then we research on that and thinking on that.
You got your feedback and research from customers.
Customers, yes.
Which is the number one source of
yeah,
for
definitely.
Okay, so customers से सीख के basically आपने product में changes लेके आए, and then that's how you developed.
Yes.
Okay, that's a very good strategy.
Yeah.
In the last 5 years, what are some key products that Plasma makes? Maybe your absolute benchmark products.
Okay.
Which is your bread and butter?
Actually, we are starting the manufacturing of IGBT based induction furnaces for heating and melting, both applications. At that time, this technology is very new, and everybody is scared about it is okay or not, is running good or not, what benefits we get or not. So at that times we are staying on our decisions. No, हम लोग यही प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में पुश आउट करेंगे. तो उस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने पहले जांच लिया था कि ओल्डेस्ट जो है SCR बेस्ड फर्नेसेस है उसमें और ये इसमें क्या बेनिफिट्स है, तो फिर उसको हम लोगों को एक्सप्लेन ही करना था और कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाना था कस्टमर्स को कि भाई हाँ ये प्रोडक्ट अगर आप यूज करोगे तो आपको क्या बेनिफिट है। देन वी एक्सप्लेन एंड दे आर थिंकिंग या हम लोग कर तो सकते हैं लेकिन अगर कुछ हुआ तो ये हुआ तो फिर हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया कि भाई आपका जो एग्जिस्टिंग फर्नेस है जो SCR बेस है हम लोग उसमें एश्योरिटी देते हैं कि अगर आप हमारा फर्नेस के साथ उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे तो यू गॉट द रिवर्ट और ROI इन सो एंड सो ईयर एंड दिस मनी।
तो उस टाइम पे कैसे बोथ योर कंपेटिटर्स राइट इंडक्टोथर्म एंड इलेक्ट्रोथर्म वर मेकिंग फर्नेस डिफरेंटली, यस करेक्ट, आपने ये रिस्क लेके ये टेक्नोलॉजी चालू किए थे, करेक्ट, सो यू आर एसेंशियली trying new things. Yes. Not looking at the market and copying, but innovating.
Yeah, we at that times we have no such background. No one is knowing us, so we have to prove ourselves and our product first in the market. So we take the charge कि भाई हम लोग आपका फर्नेस को रिप्लेस करते हैं और आपका जो ROI है वो इतने टाइम में मिल जाएगा, आपको ये बेनिफिट मिलेगा, इसका हम लोग एश्योरिटी लेते हैं।
And today वो टेक्नोलॉजी widely adopted.
Yeah. Everyone.
It has become a common thing.
Today you can get this IGBT technology furnaces in heating and hardening or even melting furnaces. Everyone knows about very well.
So what was the year that you had started the first type of furnaces like this?
We are manufacturing in 2012, but we are research in 2010, 11, 12, 3 years, and then we launch in 2012. And at that time, very initial time of this technology. And many player is also doing the research and starting to launch this product in market like Inductotherm, Electrotherm and other player also are coming with this technology. We have not the customer base like Inductotherm, Electrotherm at that time. So we have to अलग level challenge था कि भाई उनके पास उनका कस्टमर बेस था, वहाँ पे उनको जाके इसको इंट्रोड्यूस करना था ये प्रोडक्ट को। हमारे लिए ना तो कस्टमर बेस था ना प्रोडक्ट भी हमारा नया था, तो वी आर चैलेंजिंग फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स।
And this is the best, most efficient, most cost friendly, power friendly.
Yeah. Then after we are installed many. Today we have installation more than 1,500 in all over India.
1,500 furnaces.
Yeah. So they are very easily acceptable or adaptable technology. They are nothing to new. Yeah.
Correct. So that is a long journey. Okay. That's great. So मुझे आपको actually पूछने का था. When we look at furnace technology, as a foundry person, I'm giving you my point of view. So we have a graph. On this graph, we have power consumption, correct? And we have time for melt.
Okay.
Correct. So what we can do is, as a furnace manufacturer, आप सोचते रहेंगे कि ये time of जो melt है, correct? उसको कैसे आप shortest time में कर सकते हैं, but at what cost? क्योंकि हीट का टाइम शॉर्ट करने के लिए आपका पावर कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाएगी।
ओके,
करेक्ट। तो आप कैसे ये रिसर्च करते हो कि ये टाइम हम लोग को इतना ही रखना है क्योंकि पावर कंजम्पशन हम लोग को कम रखना है। अगर पावर कंजम्पशन ज्यादा करेंगे तो टाइम ऑब्वियसली कम होगा, बट एट व्हाट कॉस्ट?
तो उस टाइम पे आपका क्या स्क्रैप टाइप है और आफ्टर द मेल्टिंग आपका फर्दर पोस्ट प्रोसेस क्या है, मतलब आपके पास कौन से टाइप का मोल्डिंग लाइन है या कौन से टाइप का प्रोसेस है, तो उसके हिसाब से आपको कितना लिक्विड मेटल कितने टाइम में चाहिए
तो
वो पहले आइडियली निकालना।
कस्टमर के साथ बैठ के आप स्टडी करते हो पहले, ओके, उसके बाद में आपका प्लान प्रेजेंट।
कस्टमर हम लोगों को उस टाइम पे बताता है कि मेरा ये आगे का प्रोसेस है, फर्दर ये है, उसके बेस के ऊपर मुझे पर हावर या पर डे इतना लिक्विड मेटल चाहिए और मेरा ये है, तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोग फिर रेटिंग सिलेक्ट करते हैं कि भाई ठीक है आपके लिए ये रेटिंग का फर्नेस सूटेबल जाएगा और इतने टाइम में आपको हिट आएगा, इट इज़ ओके फॉर यू और समथिंग अदर्स, देन वी go with 20 or 10% safer margin, so they are the production as you required, then you getting it.
Correct. आप मुझे बोले थे कि you have 24/7 service.
Yes.
Correct. How did you manage to do something?
Actually we provide the 24/7 services. Actually यहाँ पे होता है कि जब आपका 24 बाय फाउंड्री रनिंग है, फर्नेसिस रनिंग है, अगर आपका फर्नेस चीज़ में स्टॉपेजेस आता है तो आपका पूरा फाउंड्री स्टक डाउन हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे सर्विस मतलब रिक्वायर्ड है कि अगर आपका कोई फर्नेस में फेल्यूर है, आपका कंपोनेंट फेल्यूर है या इंटरलॉक फेल्यूर है या पानी का प्रॉब्लम है, व्हाटएवर, तो अभी फर्नेस का मेन पॉइंट है कि भाई आपका रिलायबिलिटी, क्योंकि अभी किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है। पहले था कि जब आपका फर्नेस ब्रेकडाउन होता था 2-3 दिन तक आपका फर्नेस ठीक होने में टाइम लगता था, at that times it's okay.
So
आपका
you're
customer भी
focusing more on customer satisfaction.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Important this point, and we try to as much as possible to give service to our customers. This is our most important point, which our customer is impressed up कि भाई प्लाज्मा के जैसा सर्विस अभी आज तक किसी का नहीं है आज के डेट में. तो फिर हमने जो हमारा मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डेवलप किया है उसके अंदर भी हमने ट्रबल शूटिंग और केस स्टडी डाल दिया, ताकि हमारी जो टीम है वो भी उसको लर्न कर सके कि अगर ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरे को क्या क्या करना है और उसको ऐसा फास्ट सोल्यूशन देना है. In earlier days, we have to send the engineer and car and parts from Ahmedabad to Aurangabad, Ahmedabad to Belgaum, Ahmedabad to Kolhapur, Belgaum to Ludhiana, and we support as much as possible at whatever cost. But if they get the supports like that, they are never forget it.
Correct. And आपका customer journey, you have a lot of that we can go into that.
Yes.
So that is great that you mentioned. Let us just quickly finish with IoT. How is Plasma helping to meet those goals of the industry?
Actually, IoT is nothing new. It is a simple the automizations of your industries. So whenever you talking about the automizations of industries, you have to capture the all data from your every aspect of point. It's from machines, it's from your process, it's from your manpowers or employees data or everything. Whatever you do from morning to evening, you capture to as much as possible data and you analyze this data. It is called automation or IoT. This help us to analyze our mistakes, analyze our day-to-day work, and when we do non-productive work or productive work, and we find some solutions how to better it. So this is the basic concept of IoTs. So we introduced our furnaces to compatible with IoTs, with all the water data, its temperature data, its flow data, its melting production data, and the heat to heat डेटा के कितने टाइम में आपका हीट आया है, क्या यूनिट उन्होंने कंजप्ट किया है, पूरे दिन में क्या कंजप्शन हुआ है. तो ये जो भी सारा डेटा है हम लोग उसको कैप्चर करते हैं और वहाँ पे एक डिस्प्ले के अंदर हम लोग शो करवाते हैं फर्नेस के ऊपर, और वही डेटा को हम लोग मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन में फेच करवाते हैं. तो ये कोई भी फाउंड्री ओनर है वो कहीं पे भी घूम रहा है, मान लीजिए वो कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहा है, कहीं मीटिंग में जा रहा है, दे आर नॉट 24/7 इन प्रोडक्शन फ्लोर.
तो मतलब ये ऐप के थ्रू वो कांटेक्ट में रह सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद द फर्नेस.
या वो कभी भी कहीं पे भी रेस्टोरेंट में कहीं भी 5 मिनट 10 मिनट का टाइम है, दे आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम टुडे और यस्टरडे और दिस मंथ व्हाट इज द माय प्रोडक्शन इज देयर, व्हाट चैलेंज इज देयर, हाउ मच प्रोड्यूस दैट.
बेसिकली योर कस्टमर्स आर मोर इन्फॉर्म्ड of what and they have more of an awareness कि factory में क्या चल रहा है.
We are trying to as much as possible to give the solutions. They overcome from labor issues, overcome from some uncertain.
So mainly आप customer से जो दिक्कत आ रही है, you're addressing those first.
Yes.
Got it. Fine. Okay. Now let us quickly go. You're a sales and marketing man.
Yeah.
Correct. When you started, obviously, you would have to face a lot of challenges. There are two very big competitors in the industry. One you have worked for, another is a global market leader.
Yes.
Correct. So जब भी आप sales meeting के लिए समझो जाते रहेंगे, earlier you used to have like, what are you doing better than these two manufacturers? And I will not take their names, but you know who they are.
Yeah.
I know who they are. The audience knows who they are. So how did you address these problems?
Very good questions, and you very smart to talking about all the things. Actually, we are doing our way. They are our ideals. Basically, Inductotherm is globally worldwide, and they are doing a very good job in earlier days for foundry industries or Indian industries. So we respect them always. So there are no any points how we fight with them, or I see in your post. So there are no the ring. Actually, we are support to each other, and ultimately our goal is we do best for Indian industries or Indian market.
Correct.
How to grow and
that was the essence of the post, because
I understand.
You have to take a lot of money and put into R&D to constantly keep updated क्या है, फिर surveys to deliver surveys. It's not easy.
Yeah.
So
actually I am not a sales and marketing guys. Actually I am technical guys. I am always thinking about how my product is more comfortable with customers and helpful to customers to grow them. So, but whenever we go for sales and marketing and meet the customers, they always ask us one question: why we purchase your furnace? Why we don't purchase the big manufacturer Inductotherm in Electrotherm? Then I always says that, okay, fine, your thought is very good, and if I am in place of you, I also thinking about like that.
Correct.
Then I explains, okay, if you get the more features, more benefits, more reliability, more efficiency, then you think about us.
Correct.
Then he said, okay, how?
Correct.
And then we start the explain.
Because ultimately they are buying the product, not the brand.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Right.
Because your brand is how many bigger or what you install, number of equipment, that doesn't matter. But what the product size the customer wants and what the requirement they needs, if you fulfill is much better than nothing else. So then after we ensure the customers कि भाई हमारा ये टीम है, हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट है, हमारा ये यूनिकनेस है और इसके हिसाब से आपको ये बेनिफिट मिलेगा, then they thinking okay good, then what cost I have, then we explain that it bare cost you get the most efficient product, technology superior product and most reliable product with our service to given you.
Correct.
And then they thinking okay we can try and we can go with you.
So you meet the objection in a way that you do not compare yourself to them, but you say वो भी चालू है, उनका भी चालू है, हमारा भी चालू है. We are all equal.
Yeah.
Right? What about pricing? How do you match with pricing?
जो क्वालिटी हमको सर्व करना है मार्केट में, उसका एक जो बेस्ट कॉस्ट है, उससे नीचे जाके क्वालिटी डिरेट करना का कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे ये स्टिक हो जाते हैं कि भाई दिस इज आवर लैंडिंग कॉस्ट एंड दिस इज आवर फाइनल कॉस्ट. देन व्हाट कॉम्पिटिटर डू, which price they do, we have never mind. Yeah.
But what if somebody comes to you and says Induction is giving me at 30 lakhs, you need to give me cheaper. आप वो ऑब्जेक्टिव कैसे हैंडल करती है?
एक्चुअली
हाउ डू यू
रूटीन में डेली ये होता है और होना भी चाहिए. अगर हेल्दी कंपटीशन करना है तो आपको बेस्ट क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ट प्राइस में मिलनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे ये जब क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, वी आर trying to prove ourselves this cost, we openly show them which product we are using. और जो भी हम लोग देते हैं उसको हम लोग वेरी डिटेल के अंदर जाके उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि भाई हम लोग ये क्वालिटी का मटेरियल यूज़ करेंगे, ये स्पेसिफिकेशन का मटेरियल यूज़ करेंगे, ये मैक का और ये ब्रांड का यूज़ करेंगे. दैट्स वाई आवर कॉस्ट इज सो मच हाई. एंड देन दे आर रियलाइज ओके जिस कॉस्ट में मैं जो चीज़ ले रहा हूँ उसका वो कंपेयर करते हैं और देन रियलाइज कि दिस इज द बेयर कॉस्ट.
एंड ऑल्सो आपने एक चीज़ मुझे एक्चुअली कार में बताए थे करेक्ट, विच यू हैड सेड दैट Induction is giving you at so price, why should I be cheaper?
Yes.
Your quality is not inferior.
Yeah.
So why should the price be less?
Yes.
Correct? You had told me that in the car.
Yeah. Induction have a good brand. So they have a rights to take some extra money for their brand.
Correct.
But it is a US based company. So some revenue is going to USA from India.
Correct.
So they are taking an extra charge from customers.
Right.
But if customer get the same quality of product, same features and better services from another manufacturer, then they not go for any brand.
So that is why there is a place for Plasma today.
Yeah, so at that times they are the vacuum. All foundry men are searching for the options, but at that times many manufacturers are there and they are only go with price war. They are not quality war. So that is the uniqueness of Plasma. We are go for क्वालिटी बेस कि भाई हम लोग क्वालिटी में कोई डिरोट नहीं करेंगे, प्राइस में हम लोग जो एट पा रहे हैं वो देंगे. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि
your focus is on the
reliability and
best quality
yeah.
to the customer, not about the price. Okay, that is very valid. So let us quickly move to global scenario now. क्योंकि अभी आप शायद टर्की में एक एग्जीबिशन के लिए आप जाने वाले हैं, करेक्ट? So what is your outlook with the global scenario? What is your goal with the global market?
Actually, now we are at levels that we serve our product in globally, not in only limited to Indian market or Indian customers.
Okay.
So on worldwide, there is a very bigger manufacturer in Europe, in US and in China, everywhere. So we have to learn from them how they are reach these positions and what we can do to compete with them or we level with them. So we are searching on the product features, product technology and the mindset of the another countries foundry industries. So they are always looking for latest technology, efficiency, reliability like that. And we are learning and searching if we are making this type of product and this type of technology, then why we don't go our brand to in global level. And then we started from last maybe 6 to 7 years ago. We are participating in GIFA, in Germany, and we got the first order from Germany. We
Okay.
have an installation in Germany. We are the only one induction manufacturer of India who is supply the induction furnace in Germany.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That is really proud for our country.
This is our really milestone and achievement. And then we have to give us a push or motivations. If we install the furnace in Germany, then all over the world we can install our furnaces and our product. So then when we go for out of India, we discussing with customer, we discussing with another supplier, we discussing with other material manufacturing or suppliers. Then we learn more, and then we adjust our technology, our system, our process, and then we try to match this requirement.
Are you looking for any collaboration with international furnace manufacturers?
Yeah, actually we are looking for collaboration, because whenever you go for another countries, at that times this is the major challenges is the language challenges and adapting you as a newcomer. So at that times, if you have a local partner at there, then it is a very easy way to adapting your product or your brand to in this country. So we have some collaborate already in South Asia, in Vietnam, in Indonesia, and Bangladesh. We have a collaborate partner in Germany. We have collaborate partner in Turkey.
Okay.
So we are trying to much more editing.
So Plasma is now also a global brand.
Yeah, we are just.
That is amazing.
Well,
Amazing news. So,
just one more. We are invite to all of Foundrymen and all our customers to visit our booth in Turkey in 19, 20 and 21 September in Istanbul. Yeah. So we welcome all of you.
We'll put the link to the exhibition. What is the exhibition called?
Ankiros.
Okay.
His name
we'll
is
put the link.
19
and 20, 19 to 21st
September.
Okay. It's a very big Turkish exhibition. So I think
Foundry
a lot of people might be knowing. So you can officially meet Plasma there and shake hands with Mr. Ketan ji, as I am doing right now.
Yeah.
So that's nice. Ketan ji, thank you for your journey. I'd like to ask you a few questions related to the future of Plasma.
Okay. अपनी बातों में मैं रह गया कि actually we are diversified from another 2 to 3 businesses from last 5 years.
Okay.
We are manufacturing of the sand plant machineries like latest technology of loss pump castings.
Okay.
So we are manufacturing the equipment for this process in our another companies in Customac Technology LLP's name.
Okay.
And then we started the solution of software in forging industries, machining shop and foundry industries, ERP and mobile applications and like that.
Okay.
This
That's
is the name
all
of the,
foundry related?
All foundry related? No, everything.
Okay.
Not only for foundry, but everywhere we are providing the solutions of ERP software and mobile applications.
Okay.
The name of New Star Infotech.
Okay.
And then we are started the vacuum furnaces we built in Kshitiz Technology. तो वहाँ पे वैक्यूम रिलेटेड अगर कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है इंडस्ट्रीज का तो वहाँ पे हम लोग सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं.
So all these businesses are related to Plasma.
और and last 2 years we are started the manufacturing of EV scooter.
Okay.
And now from last 1.5 year we are starting the selling the EV scooter in the market. Basically we are cater right now first from Gujarat, and maybe next year or maybe very soon we are introduced all over the India. So we have 2 to 3 product is there, model is there, and we are learn more and develop the more better product. Yeah, in plasma motor.
Plasma motor. That was called. Nice name.
Yes.
So we'll put the links to the descriptions in the description for all these companies, right? The software. You have equipment, vacuum furnaces, scooters. Have I missed anyone?
Yeah, no.
That's a lot of companies.
It's enough, I think, because we are not focusing on particular thoughts. So we have to verticals everyone, and we have to put our team as a dedicated for all the every venture, and we put the dedicatedly team to looking for this business. Yeah, one by one.
Correct.
Yeah. So my wife is come forward and take the responsibility of the account department and finance department.
Okay, that is very supportive.
They learning about all the rules and regulations, all the and then they handles this activity throughout it till today. So till today, all of our group of companies, they are managing the finance by herself. Yeah, Amazing. We are only looking for technology, engineering, product development, and sales and marketing.
So you are a very, very good team. You have someone who's making the money, and you have someone to count it.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
So that's nice.
Yes.
Anything else you would like to add?
Yeah, it's okay. We covers. You have good questions and you really ask me something.
He said everything. If you want to know more about it, your website, LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Correct?
My number is there.
He has a very vibrant team culture on LinkedIn going on. Like you're always posting group photos and this and that. Every celebration all together. There is a lot of drone footage and everything. A lot of stuff going on there LinkedIn. So do check it out. It's really entertaining.
Thank you.
So it's really nice to see the team encouragement and culture that you all have.
Here is a very family culture in our companies. Every employees are very bonding with each other and supporting well. And I especially thanks to my all customers, my all supplier as well as, because in earlier days they give us a credit and something help us to service. As we service to our customer, our supplier also service to us. So I thankful to my all customers, suppliers, employees, relatives, friends and well-wishers in the foundry market and all the Indian market when we serve. Because without supports, no one is grow up.
Correct.
Yeah. So thanks to all of them. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Ketanji, for doing this. Thank you guys for watching. Please do check Plasma out. They're doing some amazing work. Especially a lot of people might have come in contact with that post that he mentioned, that I mentioned. So we'll share it around here again. It was really controversial and it's something new that we can bring to the foundry industry. You know, we can encourage healthy debates, healthy conversation, healthy engagement from industry experts. So that is what we are trying to do with this channel. Hope you guys appreciate it. The foundry community actually is very vibrant.
Although very near close, because whenever we go for market engagement of the all customer together based on the IIF and the all activities, exhibitions, there are very good bonding of all the foundry owners.
It's like a big family.
Very big family, and all are supporting to each other. That's a good thing.
Right. That's good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.